Why is it important to update the status of a lead so it reflects on your dashboard? Today we'll also be looking at why it's important to update all fields so that your dashboard is also complete and honest. In the opportunities, let's go and update one of our leads that needs the field to be input. We can see from the opportunity value that the vehicle value would be this standard vehicle. When we have a look at the dashboard, we'll see now that that vehicle input field has been completed, and our dashboard looks a little bit more complete. Next, we'll go and do Sarah. We go back to opportunities. We will find Sarah, click on the card, check the opportunity value, and we understand that it is the standard. Select that. Now, when we go back to the dashboard, we'll see that for all of our leads that we were busy working with and working on the open prospects, the vehicle and model have been indicated very specifically. We've got one last person to update the vehicle model, and that is our sale that happened. Let's go to our one stage. We'll click on Jimmy. From looking at his opportunity value, we can see that the vehicle was a standard vehicle. Now, when we go back to our dashboard, we'll also be able to see that the mini truck standard has been completed in the sales section. Brilliant. This looks great. So what happens then to our dashboard when we update a lead? Say, for example, we have contacted Barry, or he walked into our offices. It's been a day later. His status is going to now change from open to one. This is very important because as an owner of the business, you want to see which leads are still in an open stage and which leads are still in become a sale. So let's add a note. And now we have got one last thing that we need to do with Barry. We can see that his status is 1, but he's in the wrong stage. We just need to move him from new lead stage to the 1 stage. So very simply, we can just drag him over to 1. And the other way that we could have done it is click on the stage, and we could have selected the 1 stage there as well. We'll update that. And now when we look at our dashboard, we'll see 2 sales. But more importantly, we'll be able to see our conversion rate as well for the 30 days. We can see at the top there, we've got 30 days selected. And now we can have a look at our opportunity values. We can have a look at how many sales we've done, how many opportunities were won, what the actual value for the won opportunities is. This is a very clean dashboard now.